How to delete a file on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete a file on Dropbox easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Dropbox. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now choose the file that you want to delete. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on those three dots right here, and now scroll down until you find a delete option. Click on delete and click delete right here, and the file will be deleted easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.